Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Honda Accord, that generation here guys, between year 2008 and year 2012. If you need to find where the Bluetooth fuse is located because your Bluetooth doesn't connect, does not work, we'll explain which fuses you need to check. It could be multiple fuses in 2 different fuse boxes. We'll explain where you can buy cheap fuses and relays, that way you don't waste your money, and why it's important to test fuses and relays. All that guys will be provided absolutely free for you, for your convenience. Make sure to stay until the end. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us guys. If you have that Honda Accord, that generation from year 2008 to 12, we'll be making video for every fuse, every relay. Why we do that guys? To save you time and money. Because in the manual it's not clear what the fuses are for. On those little bitty labels you have abbreviations that you have no idea what it means. And let's say you're down the road, you need a fuel pump fuse, or you need to find a cigarette lighter fuse because you cannot charge your phone and your navigation doesn't work. Stay with us guys, and we're going to share videos on that channel for every single fuse and relay. Another thing, every single car guys that we get at our garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix pretty much anything. The mechanical videos will be on our main YouTube channels right there guys. Altogether we have about 1.2 million subscribers. We have helped over 1 million people save thousands of dollars. And let me show you something else guys. If you need to buy relays, fuses at a really good price guys, we'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get them from, that way you don't waste time and money guys, because some of those could be really expensive. You have those special fuses that are specific Honda fuses that could be really expensive, hard to find, and we'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can find the fuses, relays, that way you don't waste your money. So here now, let's explain where the Bluetooth fuses could be located on 2010 Honda Accord. You have 3 different fuse boxes, but the first one that we will need is right inside your Honda Accord on the driver's side. If you come right here, and if you guys look upside down in the dash, up in the dash, above the pedals on the left side, you're going to notice that you have a fuse box layout that looks just like this one right here. Now before we guys continue, let's explain why it's super important to always test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important guys to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. So the Bluetooth fuse that you will need to check, you have one fuse in that fuse box, and then we might need to go to a different fuse box. Okay, right here if we zoom in, you will see numbers next to your fuses, which makes it super convenient. And that fuse right here, fuse number 18, you will need to check that fuse right here. Now, if you go under the hood on your Honda Accord, that's the main engine fuse box, open that cover right there, and you're going to see a fuse box layout just like this one here. Here things guys become a little bit interesting. You need to check fuse number 15 right here in the engine fuse box, and if you look right there, that's a special fuse guys. Okay, that consists of 8 individual fuses. You have one on the side here that consists of 6. Those are special multi-block fuses, and they look just like this one here. You can see that's the fuse. The side view is just like that. And unfortunately, if one of those burns, you have to replace the whole fuse. But the good news, we'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get it from at a good price and quick shipping. Here, depending on the year, you may need to check 2 fuses guys. Now, one of them, okay, for 2008, 9 and 10 models is the second section of that fuse, okay, and for 2011 and 12 models it will be fuse number 4 in that section here. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching, see you next time.